Okay, let's try proving this. Okay, can you guys help me do this? This looks super hard to me. I'm probably not gonna be able to prove this, so I need help. Okay, but let's formally do this. Okay, who is going to help me start? No? Let's start. Yes. So base, हम यहाँ पे लिखेंगे base case is n is equal to 4. Okay. So हम इसको put करेंगे यहाँ पे, तो you would get 2 raised to power 4 is, this is 4. Awful writing, 3 times 4. Okay. This is 16. 16 is greater than or equal to 12. So we are good. Okay. What's the next step? Okay, so next step is inductive hypothesis. What do? I write n is equal to k. For some n is equal to k, 2 raised to power k is greater than equal to 3 times k. है ना? ठीक है. और उसके बाद next step, inductive step. इस पूरी चीज़ को भी inductive step कहते हैं. You assume something and then you prove the next step. Okay. So you write. So we want to prove this. Okay. This is the statement that I'm going to prove. I hope कि यहाँ पे proof है. I think है. Okay. So I'm gonna read this and then I'm gonna read it from there as well. So what we are trying to prove is 2 raised to power k plus 1 is greater than equal to 3 times k plus 1. Okay, this part is my q, this part is my p. Okay, and inductive step का goal ये है कि आपने p then q prove करना है. Okay, ये start है proof का. This is the machinery. अब हमने ये इसको prove करना है. Okay, अब इसमें आप किसी तरह का भी प्रूफ लगा सकते हैं ना. इसमें आप केस पर जो भी करना आपने करें. But this is what you need to prove. So I need to prove that 2 raised to power k plus 1 is greater than or equal to 3 times k plus 1. Someone help me. What do I do? क्या? So you start with p, which is this statement. You multiply both sides with k. So you get 2 raised to power k times k. कैसे multiply करना? 2 से. Okay. So 2 is greater than equal to 2 times 3 times k. So what do I get? I get 2 raised to power k plus 1 is greater than or equal to 6 times k. What do I do now? Sorry. So अभी हम यहाँ पे हैं. Let me rewrite this. Okay. So we have reached the step where we have 2 raised to power k plus 1 is greater than equal to 6k. Okay. We need to prove that this is greater than equal to 3 times k plus 1. What do we do? What? Are we stuck? Well, let's at least try to write it in that form. Okay? So इस साइड को तो हम नहीं छेड़ेंगे, है ना? हम यहाँ पे करेंगे, लेकिन तुम सही कह रहे हो. This is what we are looking for. Let's write it down as 3 times k plus 3 times k. है ना? What do I do next? What do I do next? Sorry, what? What do I do next? Snan, can you see this? Okay.
हम अगर इसमें से 2 कॉमन लें तो अंदर 3k आ जाएगा, मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 डबल ही हो रहा है.
I'm gonna try to write it in that form again. Okay, so if I take 3 common, what do I get? K plus K. और फिर 2K तो नहीं लिखना यार, खराब हो जाएगा. ओके, तो फिर मैं इसको ऐसे लिख दूंगा और फिर मैं यहाँ पे एक डब्बा बना दूंगा. अब यहाँ पे मैंने एक लाइन लिखनी है जो मुझे इब्राहिम बताएगा. दूसरा वाला इब्राहिम कहाँ है, तुम बता दो. How could I write K plus K as K plus greater than K plus 1? Rabia, say something. क्या?
K minus 1 K plus 1.
No. K is at least 4. I already know that K is at least 4. So it must be greater than 1. है ना? K is at least 4. So it must be greater than 1. So I can replace K with 1. So, alright, no, that's alright. Okay. So, this proof जो inductive hypothesis है ना, यहाँ पे आप लिख सकते हैं कि for some K where K is more than 4, क्योंकि you only want to prove things which are more than 4, right? उसके लिए उससे कम पे true नहीं है ये statement. Which means K is at least 4. If K is at least 4, then K is at least 1 by default. Okay? So I can write this as K plus 4 or I can write this as K plus 1. Okay? यहाँ पे देखो, यहाँ पे ये K लिखा हुआ नज़र आ रहा है. इस K को मैं 1 से रिप्लेस कर रहा हूँ. क्यों कर रहा हूँ? क्योंकि मैंने यहाँ पे greater than equal to लिखा है. Can I write if K is more than 1, can I replace it with 1 by writing this thing? That's what I'm saying. क्या?
यहाँ पे हम और भी तो कुछ लगा सकते हैं, कुछ भी लगा सकते हैं.
कुछ भी, लेकिन हमने लगाना नहीं है ना, हमें ये चाहिए. गोल के ऊपर भी तो नज़र रखो ना. ओके, मेरे अरबिक के टीचर होते थे, they were teaching us Arabic at some point. तो it was a really funny class, okay? बहुत ज़्यादा jokes और सारा कुछ चल रहा होता था. He used to say, हमने कुछ Arabic नहीं learn की उस क्लास में, right? But he used to say कि ना यार केले पे नज़र रखो, केले के छिलके पे नज़र ना रखो, okay? So this is your kind of banana, okay? Keep an eye on this banana. This is the, you can put anything you want here, okay? The छिलका is there, okay? लेकिन छिलके पे नज़र नहीं रखनी आपने, okay? So this is where you want to go, okay? The ultimate goal is banana, okay? Remember the banana in the mind. This is your banana. You need to get there, okay? All right? ठीक है? So we can write anything we want here, okay? But this is what we want, right? We need to get there. Are we good? Okay, let's see one more example. And let's see if you guys can do it.
सर एक और भी मसला है.
हाँ बोलो.
यहाँ पे दो दफा K प्लस हो रहा है, तो आप एक K को बंद से किया तो दूसरा भी बंद हो जाएगा, वो भी फिर
क्यों हो जाएगा? जो मेरी मर्जी है ना.
लॉजिक से हमने पहले कुछ किया, उससे फिर दूसरा वाला भी तो चेंज हो सकता है.
तुम कर सकते हो सकता है.
हम यही कर रहे हैं, जो मेरा दिल कर रहा है.
देखो, जो तुम्हारा दिल कर रहा है वो तुम कर सकते हो as long as it's allowed. Okay? You think okay, what you want to do and you look at the book of rules and see is it legal. If it's legal, go ahead do it. Okay? मुझे ये बताओ, is there anything which is illegal जो हमने यहाँ पे किया? Okay? There are a lot of other things जो legal थी और मैंने नहीं की. Okay? But I don't want to. Okay? Fish kind of legal, but I don't want to eat fish. Okay? Why should I? I want to eat chicken. Okay? That's my chicken. Okay? So I don't have to do everything that's legal. Okay? I only want to do the legal things that help me. I only want to use the rules that are going to help me. Okay? ठीक है? इस K को मैंने replace नहीं करना. I don't want to. I can. Definitely I can. Rules allow me to do it. But I'm not gonna do it. Okay? इस K को मैं कर सकता हूँ and I want to. So I do it. Okay? So you can do anything you want as long it's allowed. Yeah. All right, but it's good. I think this proof writing is very new to you. Okay, so it's fine to ask these questions. Oh boys, I want to see one more example. Did we just this? ये हमने कर लिया. Okay, so the formal proof is there. Snan, if you want to look at the formal proof, that's there. But I guess you understood this because you kind of answered the last question I asked.